seconds? Wow.
No, you can say whatever you want.
Want me to do a different one?
Down on the right lane. Left lane. 3268. Who's gonna take it?
Oh.
It's got a big wing. It's got a big wing in the back. See the big wing?
Yeah, man.
Big wing. Anything who has it here?
There you go.
Right now. Looks like the right lane. Oh, the right lane it is. Oh, no, yeah. Big boys. The big dog.
Oh, look at the little guys. The little guys.
You see that there's this white kid
Yeah.
in those videos?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the wing, yeah. Holy.
Yeah. Started my YouTube page.
My man.
Machine. 300 Stewart's bed, it's almost ends up. Yeah, you'd be hard pressed to see the difference on the tree.
This pineapple.
Sees two 14-year-olds
Oh, really?
go at it.
Cool.
Beams, there she is.
Pineapple.
Oh, really?
Shaping up here. It could be that Georgia Peach
Could it be? Yes,
takes the win. She takes the win. Congratulations to Georgia Pettit. Good job, team.
There you go.
Better than average. Quite fucking amazing.
Hellbilly. This got big time power. Gonna dial 426. So the little tiny Nash Metropolitan will have to do a little bit of waiting, as the dragster, which you'd think would be faster, is actually over a half a second slower. That's how fast. So watch that little tiny Nash Metropolitan. When he gets a chance to take off, he's going to try to run down that dragster big time. Kovacs. I would expect him to knock down that tree on the way by. West Africa, the Canadian Nitro Nationals. He gets it. Breaks out. Kovacs. Wow. 430 on the 426 is your winner. Canadian Drag Racing Hall of Fame. Oh, that was the semifinals. My bad. Folks, she's got something to do. So it looks like it'll be Brooklyn, the third generation racer. Her famous dad, Paul, who walked behind there with the engineered racing shirt on. He is in the Canadian Drag Racing Hall of Fame as an alcohol funny car driver, national event winner. Has also raced in Top Fuel. Brooklyn is a graduate of the junior dragster category, as is a whole bunch of them. They've got lots of life lessons and they know how to drag race big time by the time they get into a big car like this. It's all old school for them. In behind is grandfather Brian Noakes, who's an alcohol funny car, and before that a gasser favorite. Third generation racer Brooklyn Noakes. Young lady out of Idlerton, which is just outside of London. Her estimate was 474, and guess what? She goes 474. So they know what they're doing. They know the weather conditions. They